you then find someone new, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you how I created this look. This is probably like the funnest look that I have ever done. I just had a lot of fun with it. Yeah, I just added some space buns, a little wig here, make it a little extra, and I don't know, if you stay tuned till the end, it'll be even more extra. So yeah, if you guys like this look, let me know. Like, comment, subscribe, and let's get into it.
Okay, so starting off, I'm going to prime my eyes with this e.l.f. hydrating primer. And then after I prime both eyes, I'm going to go in with this jumbo pencil by NYX. It's in the color Milk, and I'm just going to kind of cover that all over my eyelids, and this is going to help make my colors pop.
You then find someone new, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you.
Okay, so I'm going to be using this palette by Morphe, and I love this palette. It is so gorgeous, you guys. I just fell in love with it. And the key here is going to be blend, 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 blend. So I'm taking this Sonia Kashuk like makeup brush cleaner, and I'm just going to quickly clean off this old yucky brush. I had done a look similar to this a few weeks ago on my Instagram. So yeah, I'm just going to clean off the brush, and then I'm going to go in and start off by using this yellow color, and this is actually going to act as the transition shade. And again, the key here is to just blend, 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 and I'm actually just going to use kind of light strokes to get this color to sort of pack onto my eyelids. And then rather than keeping this super clean, I'm going to do like this swirly motion. You guys will see around my eyelids, and that's going to kind of give me that full rim effect.
You know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
So next I'm taking a flat brush, and I'm going to take this kind of peachy color, and I'm just going to pack this color onto my lids. And I don't want to swirl or I guess blend this color. I want to pack it because I want to make sure that the colors really pop. So I'm just going to pack this onto my lids.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back.
And then after packing, I'm going to take that same fluffy brush, and I'm just going to try to blend that brighter orange with the yellow in.
Find someone new, baby, but you know I never will. No.
Okay, and then I'm just going to take this more angled brush and go in with a deeper red, and I'm just going to put this on the outer corners of my upper and lower lashes, and this is going to give me more of like a smoke effect.
Oh, yeah. Take you like a baby.
And then taking the flat brush again, I'm just going to take this lighter orange color, and I'm going to line my lower lash line to start. And then I'm also going to pack a little additional color on my eyelid as well. Just basically use the colors to kind of pack and blend to get the desired effect or look that you want.
Just like a pill.
Okay, and then I'm just going to go ahead and take this yellow again with a flat brush and go on the inner corner of my eye. And then I'm just going to take this kind of teal sparkly color by NYX, and I'm actually going to tight line my waterline. And I just think that this teal color with the red and the yellow really makes the look kind of pop.
Frickin' A. Oh, it just broke. Sharpen it.
Okay, so yes, my pencil broke and I lost footage, so I just finished off my eyes. All I did was do a wing liner and add some lashes. So I'm actually going to next take Trophy Wife. This is like the most beautiful highlighter ever, and I'm going to put this wherever the yellow is showing through. So that would be like the inner corners of my eyes, and then just slightly around the rims of my eyes, around like that orange deep red color.
So I choke you down just like a pill.
Okay, so now I'm going to do the rest of my face, and I'm going to use this Prime Perfection Hydrating Primer by Milani. This stuff kind of tingles. It feels really nice on the skin, and I absolutely love it, and I love the price point. So I'm just going to go ahead and smooth that into my skin.
Pill, you're like a pill to get my fill.
And then before I apply my foundation, I'm going to put some Cover FX highlighting drops on where I would normally put my highlighter. And then I'm just going to use this Sonia Kashuk Beauty Blender with this Makeup Forever HD foundation. And I'm just going to blend away and blend the foundation into my skin.
No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
Okay, next I'm using this concealer by Tarte. I think it's the Rainforest of the Sea concealer, and I'm just going to place this on anywhere where I have some like dark discoloration, so like more so around the corners of my mouth and my nose. I'm going to try to avoid my under eye area just because I don't want to conceal all of that beautiful color that's underneath my eye.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Take you like a pill.
Okay, so after I contour and blend, I'm just going to use this setting powder by Laura Mercier and just kind of set mainly where I put the, concealer.
Don't let me sleep, never say sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will.
Okay, and then I'm just going to set everything with this setting spray by MAC, and then I'm going to go in and also use this highlighter by MAC as well with a nice big fluffy brush. And I'm actually going to use a couple of different highlighters because I want that glow, you guys.
Take you like a pill.
And I forgot to twist out my hair. You guys know how it goes, but I have a solution.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. No, do me in the worst way.